What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about page usernames and trying to trick the Facebook algorithm bot. All right, welcome back. So let's jump into it. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and bang that notifications bell. Like this video if you like the content. I teach you how to do stuff online, make money. A lot of how-to videos on this channel, not a lot of fluff. So I've been playing around with a new fan page here on Facebook for my Marketing Meathead brand. And the reason why is because if you look at this page here, you're going to see that this page is not allowed to advertise. Now, you can request a review for that page, and what happens is after a certain amount of times you request a review, you can't even request a review. Here's this one here. Notice I have a space between the meat and the head, so I know it's the right page. And then I go, hey, Facebook. Now, I already know what's going to happen when I click center. So you'd want to write a message that says something like, basically, sorry for violating your terms of service, and, basically admit that you made a mistake, and you might have a chance of getting this thing back. But if I send this, notice what it says. You've reached the maximum number of reviews allowed. You will no longer be able to advertise on Facebook. This is our final decision. So that means this page is toast, okay? So basically on this page, I've actually spent a decent amount of money on growing it. I spent money on page likes, and I got it up to like, what are we at here, like 1,700 likes, 17 likes. And I'm still going to keep it because I have a number of people on this page, and I'll still post to it just because it does get a little bit of organic feed. I get some shares on my posts. There's one share, it's 7 people. It's not huge engagement, but a few people are seeing it. So I'll just leave it up. I mean, it's not worth taking down because it is, I put some money into it. So basically, because of that, I had to create a brand new fan page because I cannot advertise with this fan page, and Marketing Meathead is my brand. So I went ahead and created Marketing Meathead, basically number 2. And what I did is I just didn't put a space in between the meat and the head, so I kind of know the difference. And ironically, when I went to create the new page, I went in here and I was like, well, maybe I'll be sneaky with Facebook and go ahead and get the same domain, basically facebook.com right here where it says Marketer Brian. Well, I was like, okay, well, maybe I could edit this and say Marketing Meathead and take the page, the page name from the other page and be sneaky about it and still run ads, just thinking that might work. So, notice here in the domain here, it says Facebook page, which /PG, which means page, and then Marketer Brian. That's this page, okay? So I tried to use the Marketing Meathead one, which was, the one I had on the other page, and it let me change the domain. So this, notice here on this one, it says in the About section, click on About, and then go to, right here it says Marketing Meathead. So the username here, Marketing Meathead. So I wanted that on the new page, obviously, but because this page is not allowed to advertise, Facebook's bot is recognizing that facebook.com/PG/Marketing Meathead is a bad URL, okay? And I figured this out because I went ahead and changed the name on the new page to Marketing Meathead, and then I tried to set up some ads. Almost immediately disapproval, okay? And I thought maybe it was my copy, so I played around with the copy, made it super generic, and immediate disapproval, okay? And then I went over to the new page, and I said, okay, well, let me try this. I'm going to go back and put the old URL, Marketing Meathead, on the old page, and I'll make a new URL here for the new page. Notice this page has only 109 likes. Now I am running page likes to it, plus 86 this week because I'm running campaigns to it. And the About section, you click on About and then go to right here where it says username. I changed this one to Marketer Brian. Now my Twitter handle for the Marketing Meathead brand is Marketer Brian, so it's kind of congruent as well. So I'm trying to keep that congruency across my brand. Obviously, I own marketingmeathead.com. I would love to have everything Marketing Meathead. My Instagram's Marketing Meathead, but Marketer Brian's okay too because I have a Twitter. I couldn't get Marketing Meathead for some reason on Twitter, so I got Marketer Brian, and then I'm Marketer Brian now on Facebook on my new page. But I went ahead and I did go ahead and create some ads here. And notice I just have a page like campaign. I'm just running page likes, and if we click on the ad set here, I've been testing some different. Here I tried Frank Kern. I think here I tried maybe Gary Vee or something. But when you look at the prices here, I was paying like $1.35 a like, kind of high, $1.21 a like. But the Grant Cardone one's been the best one. So I just went ahead and X those other ones and went over here to the. 69 cents a like, still kind of expensive as well, but it's a hell of a lot cheaper than a 135. It's like half price. So I just put a $10. Actually, I'm at $5 a day budget here. I thought I put a $10. Let's go ahead and bump this up to 10 a day. Get some more likes going on this page. What I'm trying to do here is just get some more credibility with the new page. Okay. If somebody clicked on that Marketing Meathead, the new page, and saw I only had like 40 followers or 30 followers, they'd be like, who is this guy? He's nobody. So what I'm trying to do is spend a little money. Facebook's a pay-to-play platform now. I am inviting friends from multiple Facebook profiles I have and gaining some likes that way, but I'm also running some traffic and paying for some likes. Ideally, if I get it up to at least, say, 500 likes before I really start running some serious ads, like some instant canvas ads, or instant experience it's called now. I'm going to try to run some of those ads. I'm also going to try to run some potentially some conversion campaigns for my my free ultimate guide to affiliate marketing. But I don't want to run those from a page that has like just a few likes, because it just makes me look not legit. Okay, so I'm kind of warming this page up a little bit, getting some likes. I'm warming up this ad account as well, getting some just generic like traffic. Let's take a look at the ad here real quick. Now keep in mind, when I had Marketing Meathead as my URL, immediate disapproval, and then I changed it to Marketer Brian, and it got approved fairly quickly. They didn't like my ad copy right away. You can't promote anything that's like MLM, get rich. Obviously I'm not promoting anything get rich quick, but it can't sound like you're promoting something get rich quick. So I had to go with the lead gen angle here. Okay. And since my course is called the Lead Gen Affiliate, it's legit, okay? So basically, I'm just telling people looking for some daily entrepreneur motivation, because I do post like memes to my Instagram and to my Facebook on a daily basis, usually at least every other day, usually daily though. And we've landed on the right page, and basically I'm adding some authority here. I'm a 2019 ClickBank Platinum affiliate, which means ClickBank recognizes me as one of the top marketers in the world. Would love a page like right now. If you like my page, this is what they'll get: daily motivational memes, quality video content 2 to 3 times a week, what's working now content, learn from a proven mentor. Okay, so I'm giving them the benefits of liking my page, obviously, and then I'm letting them know I built multiple online businesses since 2004. And then I go into the lead angle here, because it won't let me go into the affiliate marketing angle, because Facebook doesn't like that. Okay, they don't want affiliate marketers advertising on their platform. They think that that's kind of a scam. So the fact that I do own authoritative websites and I do generate leads online, that's kind of pretty much, you have to have leads in any business to be successful. If you're a realtor, you have to have leads. If you're a dentist, you have to have leads, because you have to get patients. Okay, so I played that angle. Every business needs leads. It's my life's work to mentor entrepreneurs on lead generation, which is true. I mean, I'm doing lead generation as an affiliate most of the time, but at the end of the day, we are trying to generate leads, and we're generating leads for other people and getting commission for that. Okay, and send me a message in my messenger for 100% free ultimate guide on generating leads. Now I haven't got a single message, so that's really, this call to actions really hasn't worked at all. But that's the ad. So it got approved, and it's running page likes. There's a picture of me holding the ClickBank Platinum Award, showing that I'm like kind of a meathead, which is kind of cool, because it matches it's kind of congruent to the Marketing Meathead. Not too many people have arms that size, and so it's congruent. And I got the ads approved with the new Marketing Meathead / Marketer Brian page. Okay, so the bot immediately recognized Marketing Meathead as a bad URL. So do not use an old page name URL. If you're banned, do not use it, because it's not going to work. You're going to get immediately banned, and you're going to get a black eye from Facebook, and don't try to do that. Now, one thing I did want to bring up here is I did try to create another fan page for another one of my pages that was banned from advertising. Now, this page hasn't been completely removed from being able to appeal. Like, I'm still able to appeal it, but I keep getting rejected, so I'm assuming it will be eventually unable to repeal. But this is a link I'll put in here. This is a Facebook page here in the help section that I found, and usernames for pages. I tried to change the name on one of my new pages, and it wouldn't let me. It just basically said I'm not eligible for a name change or some crap like that. And so I did a little bit of research here and said you may not be able to immediately create a user name for a page you've recently created. If you've recently created several new page, which I have, okay, a page username can be removed because of inactivity, okay? So whatever rule Facebook has put it up in there that this particular page, I'm not able to change the page name, so it's just like a generic one with a bunch of gibberish. But just keep that in mind if you create a number of pages that you may not be able to change the page name immediately. If you're getting frustrated at why you can't change the name, this is probably the reason why. So I'll include a link to this in the video below. But you know, that's it for the video today. I just kind of wanted to show you guys how I was able to figure out that the bot is recognizing that URL, and was able to kind of go back and kind of trick the bot, get ads approved. It's a little frustrating. It took me a lot of back and forth figuring out if it was my ad copy or if it was a URL. But I figured if I did this video, maybe someone out there or a few people out there would save some time showing that I actually have gone through the steps here to figure out how to get the ads approved and the Facebook page approved. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and make sure you leave me a like if you haven't already. Leave me a comment below if you got any tips for me, or if you found this content valuable. I'd love to hear from you. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.